everyone. In this video I'm going to review the new legendary Japanese helicopter OH-28 Shuriken. The OH-28 Shuriken is a cutting-edge Japanese high-speed attack drone helicopter, built for lightning-fast strikes and reconnaissance. Armed with a powerful heavy grenade launcher and advanced targeting systems, it's capable of taking out air, surface, and even underwater targets with precision. Its equipment includes Type 42 an airborne grenade launcher effective against both surface and submerged targets. Brimstone Sea Spear, classic medium-range air-to-surface missiles. AGM-114K Hellfire 2, missiles designed to hit targets while evading countermeasures. Type 91S, dual-purpose missiles effective against both ships and enemy aircraft. AAM-5B, a classic air-to-air missile with extended range. My honest opinion about this helicopter is that it is very good and effective, it has very good speed and maneuverability, its view range is good, it can target aerial targets, surface targets, and even underwater targets. I hope it enters the market so that more players can purchase it.